I'm banana man.
It is time to talk about my...
It is time to talk about my darkest secret.
That's actually not even close.
After many, many years of questions, wild theories, and Emma Watson jokes,
God, Jesus Christ.
I'm going to reveal the truth about my channel.
And why it's a freaking curse.
Guys, you must win this fidget spinner on this pencil while it's on my mouth. You guys have to smash the like button. Yeah guys, let's do it.
What's up guys? Okay guys, if I can balance this thing on my finger for 5 seconds guys, you will smash that like button guys, okay? 1, 2, smash it! I think all my neighbors heard me now. Congratulations, you have somebody making YouTube videos on your house. So when people figure out that I have a YouTube channel, they usually seem slightly impressed, which is something nobody should ever take for granted. And they're mainly impressed because of my subscriber count. And yes, 5,000 subs aren't much, especially if you compare that number inside YouTube's mega cluster of creators. But it's something! Because if you worked your butt up to 5,000 subscribers, you're usually on a good path to become even more successful. In the state of 5,000 subs, you're developing your brand. You know, the thing people think of if they hear that notification bell ringing. That thing that makes you interesting, that sets you apart from others. Which can be the stuff you do, or maybe even you as a person. You're backed by a small but loyal community with decent views and pretty good engagement on your videos. Don't worry, I'm not gonna sit here and bore you with this whole YouTube bullshit. No! I rather want to show you how views and engagement with 5,000 subs could also look like.
So you probably just bought fake subs like Digi?
No, toilet boy. Let me show you the real reason why I have that many subs. Closer. Closer. Yeah, we're almost there. Congratulations. Almost all of my subs were generated because of just one single video. A video of me cutting a phone with a laser in half. And what does this video has to do with my current content, you ask? Oh, good question. Nothing. And that's also part of the problem. Or
the curse.
It's pretty basic. All those people just subscribe because of a fancy pants laser. And I don't even make laser content. In fact, there isn't... Ah, my ear. There isn't even a proper structure with my videos at all. They're all random. I don't make just repair videos only. And I'm also not making sticking baguettes into stupid thumbnail faces all the time. Because that's my signature move, I guess. I just really can't focus on one single concept. I mean, sometimes I'm fixing a broken phone. And sometimes I'm doing this. Or this. And on some days, I just feel like sitting in a box for 10 hours. If you want to be successful with random content, you gotta be super interesting as a person. And you gotta be super consistent with your uploads. And of course, there's also like a bunch of luck involved. And those are things I'm struggling with. But that's okay. I'm working on it. So, what about that laser video? Was it a big fake, like everybody thought? Or did I actually build a proper lightsaber, which I could get arrested for probably? That's a good question. What could be the case? I mean, if we look down to the suggested videos, there are a lot of Captain Disillusion videos down there. Like, why did I do it in the first place? To scam my audience? Yeah, every one of you. I'm kidding. Story time! So back when I was a graphics design trainee, I wanted to work at one of the most successful agencies in Germany. But my portfolio wasn't really interesting enough. It was pretty boring, to be honest. So I had this outstanding idea to make a viral video. Or like to try and to make it. Because that company was kind of insane. They were pretty big with viral videos. So I took a shot of a Galaxy S7 Edge dummy and myself messing around with a laser prop I built out of a bicycle pump and some other parts. And those phone dummies usually have some artwork printed on their displays, which is why I had to shoot the real screen of my Galaxy Note, so I could put it on the S7 afterwards in the edit. I could have also just placed it completely digitally, but filming a flickering display in the same environment as the original prop just makes it look much more realistic. Then I cut the S7 prop in half with a saw, I burnt the edges a little bit, and placed that one half back in front of the camera. As the last step in the shooting process, I burned some gunpowder behind the phone. Practical effects are special effects produced physically. And if practical effects are an option in your project, you gotta use them, man! I smashed everything together in After Effects and animated a laser beam, which I tracked to the bicycle pump thing. Made a fat glow and a fake camera brightness adjustment. You can see that everything goes darker as soon as the laser starts to cut. And that was it! I uploaded it on YouTube, and I also dropped it on 9gag as a GIF with a YouTube link to my channel. And that GIF, I don't want to brag, well, it reached the hot page, which is like the viral page on 9gag. And because of that, the YouTube video gained a bunch of views. And I got invited for a job interview in that company. I don't know if it was because of the video, but I got invited. That's what counts. And I didn't get the job, which is totally fine from today's standpoint.
That agency is insane, man.
And that's the story about how and why I made my by far most viewed video. And why it turned out to be a little curse. And at the end, I want to acknowledge all those hurt feelings in the comments from that video. If you felt personally offended because that 500 watt laser wasn't real, I kindly ask you to take your router, you know, that thing that gives you internet, and sell it on eBay. Then you take that money and you give it to a homeless person. Now that homeless person has some money, and you can be a crybaby all by yourself. I see that as a win for everyone. Anyway, don't be offended because of shit. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you liked this video, I would appreciate one of those sweet likes down below. If you didn't like it, well, the other button goes. And I hopefully see you on the next one. If not, you might gonna miss out.
I'm banana man.
Hey, how about we spend some more time together, my dude? So check out this video right here. You can also press on that video as well. And don't forget to hit my stupid face.